Okay, students. Till today we have completed 4 chapters. What are the 4 chapters? Linear quadratic equation. So we will be moving ahead with the 5th chapter as per the schedule. Okay. So what is the chapter named as? Chapter is named as coordinate geometry. Okay. So you people all did linear equation, right? In linear equation we did something called as graph plotting. Okay, so for that graph plotting, what are all the required knowledge we require? It was coming from the chapter coordinate geometry. Okay, coordinate geometry tells you what is the x coordinate value, y coordinate value. X coordinate value is called as abscissa. Y coordinate value is called as ordinate. Okay, abscissa, ordinate, it speaks about all those things. Okay, so we will be dealing majorly with the following topics in this chapter. The very first topic which we will be taking is called as distance formula. As in when you go ahead, you will find the area of triangle. Area of triangle using the coordinates. Okay, how will you find the area of triangle? Your measurement is not given. If the length is given, you know how to find the area of triangle. If the length is not given, only if the coordinates are given, how to find the area of the triangle. Then collinearity of 3 points. Collinearity, what does it mean? If 3 points are lying on the same straight line, then what will be the length of the line? Okay, that is basically called as collinearity of 3 points. Then let's call the section formula. In section formula, we will again subclassify as section and midpoint. Section means what? You have a line, you are dividing that sub point, and if that point divides the line in the ratio, so is to so. 2 is to 3 ratio, 1 is to 2 ratio, like that keeps dividing. That is called section formula. Whereas in the midpoint formula, what is it? It is dividing, the point is dividing exactly at the middle. Okay? 1 is to 1 ratio. In that case, what will be the formula? How will you derive the length of the line? Okay, all those things. Yes? So firstly, we'll start with the distance formula. So put the heading as coordinate geometry. Or wait, I'll give you the notes later. We'll just discuss what is this distance formula. We'll understand the concept and then we will take down the notes. Okay, distance formula. The name says given 2 points x1, y1, x2, y2, like this. Given 2 points, okay, you are finding out the distance of those 2 points. You are finding out the distance between the 2 points. Right? Wake up. Wake up. Given 2 points, you are finding out the distance between the 2 points. Okay. This diagram you are supposed to write down. So how will you find out the distance formula? This point is P and this point is Q. Okay? We will find out the distance between these 2 points. How is it given? x1, y1, x2, y2 is there. Okay? The distance formula is given by x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square is equal to pq square. What does this mean? What is this? With your knowledge of triangles, what is this formula? PQ square is equal to PN square plus QN square. Pythagoras theorem, right? So given here, this is a right angle triangle. You can see a right angle triangle here. Yes. What is this distance? y2 minus y1. What is this distance? x2 minus x1. When you have these distances, then you will find the hypotenuse. This is basically your distance between the 2 points, right? Hypotenuse will be given by this formula. That's it. This is the derivation of your distance formula, from where the distance formula got its origin. Okay? Yes? Okay, here again we speak about some cases. Okay, here the initial point is somewhere here. If the initial point is at the origin, then a different case. Okay, like that we will speak about different cases as it when you go ahead further in the chapter or in the further slides in today's section itself, you will be seeing. The very next slide, if the distance is starting at the origin, that means x1, y1 is 0. Okay, x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Under the root is called as distance formula. What is distance formula?
x1 minus 2 minus x1 into y2 minus y1.
Pythagoras theorem, what is it?
Hypotenuse equals sine square.
Sine square into sine square 1. Tell out. Volleyball is sleeping. Tell out.
Root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1.
Okay. Root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Clear? Clear? Okay. So if it is at origin it is given as root of x square minus y square. Okay. If the point is as origin, the distance formula is given as root of x square minus y square. Okay. Clear? Clear? Plus y square, yeah. X square plus y square. Clear? Then, how will we derive? This is an example which I will be taking. Okay, for explaining. This is not there in your textbook. This is for you to understand the concepts. Okay, stay awake, everyone. Stay awake. This is an important topic. Okay, so here you have 3, 1 and 2, 4 are the 2 points. I am taking this as x1, y1, x2, y2. You can take anything. You can take this as x2, y2, this as x1, y1 also. It is irrespective of it. Y 5 and 3. If you subtract, 5 minus 3 is 2. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. When you are squaring it, what will be 4 itself? So it is irrespective of the signs. We are not considering the signs over here. We will be just taking the numbers. Okay, because when you are squaring it, the number becomes the same. Okay, no need to bother regarding it. So distance formula, we know this formula. Neat and bundle box alag. Distance formula question bundle. Okay, that means if in case you are in the stage of bottom level, the examiner who is correcting, for passing you people, they will see if the formula is written. Oh, this person has written the formula. I will give you 1 mark for passing. In that case. Okay, for people who are scoring out of 4, we don't give marks for this. But for the marks will be given for this proper substitution. There is a substitution that you know. This substitution you do, marks will be given. 1 mark is given for the substitution. Okay, so I know x2, 2, x1 I know 3, 2 minus 3 the whole square. I know y2, 4, y1 I know 1, y4 minus 1 the whole square. Okay? Yes? Minus 1 whole square plus 3 square. Okay, what is it? 9 plus 1, 10, root 10. Okay, your distance is root 10 units. I don't know what are the units because they have not mentioned meter, centimeter, kilometer, nothing they have mentioned. Okay, root 10 units. Okay. Yes. We'll start writing down your notes. Yes. Please get started. Put the main heading as coordinate geometry. Some theory we will write a bit. Okay, this is a bit theory chapter. Okay, we'll write a bit theory explanations for each of everything. Then we will go ahead with formulas. to that. Okay, coordinate geometry. First point, under coordinate geometry, first point. This is in general, not for distance formula. I am writing, giving you in general because you might have learned coordinate geometry, obviously. So, but there is a gap between your learning. So, I have to revise your concepts for you. Okay, this is a revisiting concepts. Okay, first point, to locate the position of a point. To locate the position of a point in a plane, to locate the position of a point in a plane, we require a pair of coordinate axes. What does it mean? Pair of coordinate axes means x-axis, y-axis. Understood the statement? To locate the coordinate in a plane or a point in a plane, you require a pair of coordinate axes. First point. Done? Next point. The distance A, the distance of a point from the y-axis, is called the x-coordinate or abscissa. The distance of the point from the y-axis is called the x-coordinate or the abscissa. Abscissa spelling anyone wants? A-B-S-C-I-S-S-A. Done? Next point. The distance of a point from the x-axis is called the y-coordinate or the ordinate. The distance of a point from the x-axis is called as the y-coordinate. Or ordinate. Done. The coordinate of a point, next point is the coordinate of a point on the x-axis. The coordinate of the point on the x-axis. The coordinate of the point on the x-axis. R of the foreign. R of the form x comma 0, like this. It is of the form x comma 0. Yes, and of a point on the y-axis. And of a point on the y-axis, R of the form y comma 0. Correct? 0 comma y. ಯಾರಪ್ಪ y comma 0 ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? What's the time? Half an hour late. Why? Okay. Done. 0 comma y. Okay. Please do. Put the diagram. Write this diagram, put the editor's distance formula. Okay, name this point as A, this point as B. Okay, point as A, B. Yes. So now we'll write a distance formula for this. What is the distance formula? Distance of AB will be the root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay, or the other way down, root of x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. Okay, is there any difference? No difference. Both the formulas are the same. Okay, write out this formula. Put that in distance formula and write out this. Yes, we'll start with the example problems. Write out example 1. Example 1. Example 1. Do the points. Do the points. I will see the question. Do the points 3, 2. Don't need NCERT, close your textbooks. Close your textbooks. Do the points 3, 2. Do the points 3, 2 minus 2, 3 and 2, 3 form a triangle. If so, name the type of triangle formed. Okay? Yes. Example 1. Pens down and give your time. Give your time. Okay? So let point P be. What's point P? 3, 2. Point Q be minus 2, minus 3. Then R 2, 3. What I will take it as x1, y1. I'll take this as x2, y2. I'll take this as x3, y3. Yes? Now, in order to prove that what kind of triangle it is or whether it forms a triangle, so what we have to do, we have to find the distance between PQ, QR and RP. Okay? So, the length of PQ is PQ. What is length of PQ? Root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Substitute root of minus 2 minus 3 the whole square plus minus 3 minus 2 the whole square. Okay, so minus 5 square plus minus 5 square. So it will be 25 plus 25. So what will it be? Root 50. That is nothing but 5 root 2. Yes, 5 root 2. What is root 2 value? 1.414. Okay, when you multiply, what will be the value? 7.05. 7.05. What have they given? Units. Okay, this is the length of PQ. Now, let me find the length of QR. Length of QR will be equal to root of x3 minus x2 the whole square plus y3 minus y2 the whole square. Yes, substitute root of 2 plus 2 the whole square minus 2 of that. 2 plus 2 the whole square plus 3 plus 3 the whole square root of 4 square plus 9 square root of 16 plus 81 root of 97. How will you write 97 as? Six square alva. That is 6. What is it now? 52. How can you write 52 as? 52 can be written as 4 how many times? 4 13 times. Right? 4 13 times no. 2 root 13. Root 13 value people don't need to find. Keep it as such. Okay? Next. Length of R3 or PR, what are the same? Okay, root of x3 minus x1 the whole square plus y3 minus y1 the whole square. Substitute buddy. Root of 2 minus 3 the whole square plus 3 minus 2 the whole square. Root of 1 minus 1 square is 1 plus 1 square is also 1. Root 2. Okay. So, yes, of course it has 3 sides. Yes. So here, sum of all the 3 sides is 2 sides is greater than the third side. This and this, if you add, it will be more than this. What does it mean? What does it mean? It is the vertices of a triangle. They are the vertices of a triangle. That is how you prove the vertices. No. The sum of the 2 sides should be greater than the third side. Then only it's called as a triangle. Okay. So as per the knowledge of triangles, this is one of the theorem. We have proved this theorem in many cases in our lower grades also. This year also we have a chapter called as triangles. We will be proving there also. Okay. So when you take the sum of these 2 sides, it will be greater than this. Yes. Yes. So henceforth, the given points form the vertices of a triangle. So after that, what we will tell? What we will tell? We will check whether it forms a Pythagoras theorem or not. We'll see. We'll see. I'll keep it as 5 root 2 only over here. I'll not take this value. 5 root 2 only I will keep it as. So 5 root 2 was root 50. Right? Root 50 plus root 2. The square plus the square is equal to root 52 the square. 52 is this. 50 plus 2 is equal to 52. What is it? It's a Pythagoras theorem proved. So henceforth it's a right angle triangle. Right? So what kind of triangle is formed? Triangle PQRS is a right angle triangle. Yes? Clear? Make a note of it. Right till this point, I'll give you the explanation. Right till this point, and then I'll give you the explanation. Let's move ahead further with the second question. Show that the 2 points 1, 7, 4, 2, minus 1, minus 1, minus 4, 4 are the vertices of a square. Are the vertices of a square. Are the vertices of a square. Example 2. Done writing the question? Yes? Okay, now let me take a square. This is a square. Okay? This is a square. A, B, C, D. Okay? Yes? So, the values are given in the cyclic order. Cyclic order. When you write triangle ABC, you would take it as 1, 7, B as 4, 2, C as D as I have told they have given it in a cyclic order. Cyclic order. Comma minus 1, minus 4, clear? Write it along with me. Write it along with me. They have given it in a cyclic order. After this, write down a statement. Let point A be this much, B be this much, C be this much, D be this much. Let A 1 power 7, B 4 power 2, C minus 4 power 4, D minus 1 power minus 1. Did you write? Let ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ. Let A 1 power 7, B 4 power 2, C minus 4 power 4, D minus 1 power minus 1. Okay? To prove what? A, B, C, D is a square. We have to prove AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. ಹೌದಾ? ಹೌದಾ? BC ಹೇಗಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ? BD CD ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. CA AB BD CD CA. That you have to prove this. One more thing, we have to prove the diagonals. AD is equal to BC. We have to prove this diagonals. Okay?
Where diagonals are not equal, it is normal.
Huh?
Where diagonals are not equal,
It becomes robbers. Find AB value. AB is how much? Root of 4 minus 1d whole square plus 2 minus 7d whole square. This will be root of 3 square is 9 plus 2 minus 7, how much? 5. 5 square is 25. 25 plus 9, root 34. Let me find BD value. What will be my BD value? 4 plus 1, the whole square under the root, plus 2 plus 1 the whole square under the root. That means how much? 4 plus 1 is 5 square, that is 25. Root 25 plus 2 plus 1 is 3 square, 9. Again, 36 hello? 34. Okay, let me find BC. Root A minus 1 plus 4d whole square plus 4 plus 1d whole square. Okay? Okay. Minus 1 plus 1 plus 4 plus 4 minus 1 minus 4. Root minus 1 plus 4 is 3 square. 3 square is 9. Minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5. Minus 5 square is 25. Root 34. 26 ಅಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಡ. ಹೇಗಿದ್ರು ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಸೇಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. Okay, now CA is equal to root minus 4 minus 1 the whole square plus 4 minus 7 the whole square. Okay, minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5. Minus 5 square is 25 plus 4 minus 7 is minus 3. Minus 3 square is 9. Root 34. What's the doubt? 34. Done. So here we have proved that half battle is done. 34 we are done. Now find out the value of AD. Diagonals again. Find out the value of AD. So what will it be? Root of minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 the whole square plus minus 1 minus 7 the whole square. That means minus 2 square is 4 plus minus 8 square is 64 root 68. Okay. Similar way, find out BC. Root 4 minus of minus 4 is 4 plus 40 whole square plus 2 minus 40 whole square. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 square is 64. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Minus 2 square is 4. How much is this? Root 68. Okay. After this, what will you tell? All the sides are equal and the diagonals are equal. Sides are equal and diagonals are equal. Therefore, ABCD is a square. Yes? Yes? Children, if you take it like this also, ABCD, okay, ABCD instead of ABCD, that time what you will be getting is, you will be getting your diagonal value. Now, BC considered the it will be 68 when you solve. However, you will understand that no, C won't come here, C will come here. Okay? Clear? Yes? PPT cards are not now. Third question, will you people, I licked it right. Figure no need to draw. Don't draw the figure. Pulse and draw. Now I'll turn off the light. Okay. Third question reads like this in the figure which is given here. Figure Kalistadiya. You have to cursor because she has given me to turn on the light. Okay. In this figure, okay, they have given the 3 points A, B, and C. A, B, C. 3 students basically. Okay, their names are also starting from A, B, C. Okay. You people didn't realize. This point is 3, 1. How 3? X-axis is a 3. 1. This point is 6, 4. Similarly, this point is 8, 6. Okay? They have asked us to say whether the lines are seated in the order. So, A, B, C, so this is example. A look. B. C. Okay. This is bracket 1 equal to x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Okay. Final length of AB. x2 minus x1, 6 minus 3 का whole square plus 4 minus 1 the whole square. 6 minus 3, 3 square is 9. 4 minus 1, 3 square is 9. 9 plus 9, 18. Yes? Root 18. Okay? Find out BC. Find out BC. Root 8 minus 6 the whole square plus 6 minus 4 the whole square. 8 minus 6 is 2, 2 square is 4. Now 6 minus 4 is 2, 2 square is 4. 4 2s are 8, root 8. Okay, find out CA. Root 8 minus 3 the whole square plus 6 minus 1 the whole square. 8 minus 3 is 5. Yes? 5 square is 25 plus 25, which is root 50. You know. Now what is it?
Total of
ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 5 ಏರಿಯಾ ಅದಾದ್ರು AB plus BC
is equal to
ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? AB ನೆಕ್ ಬರಲಿ 3 root 2, ಇದು ನೆಕ್ ಬರಲಿ 2 root 2, ಇದು ನೆಕ್ ಬರಲಿ 5 root 2. 3 plus 2 ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 5. This is 3 root 2 plus 2 root 2, which is equal to 5 root 2, which is equal to CA. So something happened. If they are equal, that means they are not called triangles. If the squares are equal, if this square plus that square is equal to that square, then only it's called triangle. Okay? So here only the lines are equal. That means they are all in the same straight line. Okay? So all the three will be in the same straight line. All the three will be in the line. All the three will be in the line. Then here we'll stop for this today.